All right, the last limit we're going to look at solving algebraically today is E. It says the limit as h approaches 0, and we have 3 plus h squared minus 9 all over h. So step 1, you guys, is always try and plug in what the limit is approaching. So we're plugging in 0 for h. If I try and do that in my denominator here, I would have 0 in the denominator. Okay, so that doesn't work. Then I'm like, okay, can I factor? This one already is some form of factored, so that's not going to work, and I don't see radicals, so I'm not going to do a conjugate. Okay, so what my option is just to simplify. Okay, what I'm going to do is write 3 plus h, and the way you square it is write it twice. And then we need to double distribute or FOIL. Okay, so this would give me 9 plus 3h plus 3h plus h squared. And some of you are really good at this, so if you want to just skip to your simplified version right away, you can. So we have our limit as h approaches 0, and then I would have h squared plus 6h plus 9 minus 9 all over h. You'll then see here that your 9s will cancel. This should kind of look familiar, you guys. This is a form of our difference quotient, which we've solved earlier this year. So we have our limit as h approaches 0. And then from here, in order to get that h to cancel or out of the denominator, I would factor the numerator. So I'd have limit h approaches 0, so I take out an h. So I'd have h plus 6 all over h. And now my h's cancel. And now you guys notice, I hope you notice, I've been writing limit the whole time. Now I'm going to plug in 0 for h. So I do not need to write the limit again, okay? I'm going to write this one more time, sorry. We're left with h plus 6. And then I plug in 0. So I'd have 0 plus 6, which gives me 6. Okay. So that is how you would handle one. You can always simplify in order to help find the limit algebraically.